Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my own personal experience using the Lincoln Financial Retirement Tool. Here's a look at the Lincoln Financial Retirement Tool, a resource designed for those seeking a clear and strategic path to retirement planning. It's an excellent choice for individuals committed to building a secure financial future with a reputable and established provider. Whether you're at the beginning of your savings journey or nearing retirement, this tool offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to support your financial goals. The Lincoln Financial Retirement Tool prioritizes personalized planning. It provides a clear analysis of your current savings, projected income, and anticipated future financial needs. A key strength of this tool lies in its scenario planning capabilities. By adjusting inputs such as retirement age, savings contributions, and investment approaches, you can model various retirement scenarios and observe how different factors influence your overall retirement readiness. This interactive feature is invaluable for visualizing the potential long-term impact of your financial decisions and making informed adjustments. For those seeking investment guidance, Lincoln Financial presents a diverse range of investment options catering to varying risk tolerances. You can easily compare conservative, moderate, and aggressive portfolios, selecting the best fit for your comfort level with market fluctuations. The tool also delivers detailed projections of potential investment performance over time, offering a clearer understanding of potential returns. Beyond investment planning, the tool provides insights into maximizing Social Security benefits, managing taxes, and planning for healthcare expenses, crucial elements that can significantly affect your retirement finances. Lincoln Financial also offers access to dedicated financial advisors for personalized, hands-on support. This is a particularly beneficial feature for users who appreciate professional guidance. These advisors can assist in refining your strategy and provide tailored advice based on your individual financial circumstances. Moreover, the platform incorporates educational resources, webinars, and planning calculators to enhance your understanding of financial planning principles. In summary, the Lincoln Financial Retirement Tool is ideally suited for individuals who desire a robust yet user-friendly retirement planning solution. Its ability to model different scenarios and generate detailed forecasts is especially valuable. If you seek a reliable method to assess your retirement outlook and develop a personalized plan, with the added benefit of professional support, this tool is definitely worth exploring. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information.